We're making a start with some news that's breaking this minute. Police, in fact, resorted to lathi charge and detained members of the ABVP after they protested outside the residence of Kerala Minister KT Jalil over his alleged involvement in the gold smuggling case. Remember, the Customs is planning to question the minister next week on the gold smuggling scam. The minister has already been questioned by the ED in regard with this case. Let me go across to my colleague Vivek, who's joining me on the phone line with further updates on this. Vivek, tell us about the details that are coming in of this protest that have taken place. What happened on ground? Because we're still looking at a situation of corona and we're looking at a lot of crowd there joining in. Tell us about the protest that has taken place against the minister.
Yes, right now the visuals which you're seeing right now is happening in Malappuram. Remember, it is in Valanjeri, where KT Jalil is currently right now. It's just kilometers away from his house that this protest happened today. And this has been, this protest was being taken by the Yuva Morcha and the BJP workers today over there. If you look at the visuals, there are a large number of people who have joined the protest. And in most of these protests, not just this one, but the one which you saw in the last few days near the Secretariat and near the various collectorate offices across Kerala, if you look at the number of people who have come there, most of them have clearly violated the COVID norms and protocols. People have come in large numbers without even wearing a mask. This has created a major issue. If you look at the last few days, the number of COVID cases in Kerala, it's all going more than 3,000 cases. And if you look at the places where these cases have taken place, it is in these places where these mass protests by the opposition parties have been taken, and hence the health department has been warning that the opposition parties and especially any political parties to stop protesting at this point of time, because it's a very, very crucial time as far as Kerala is concerned, because according to a recent report, it says that there is a mutation of the virus taking place, due to which there is a widespread of infection that's been reported. Number of clusters are increasing, number of hotspots are also increasing. But in the meantime, these protests are going on. In the meantime, on the political front, KT Jalil and his government, that is the LDF government, is under massive pressure. Mounting pressure is on the Chief Minister, Pinarayi Vijayan, to sack the minister. But the minister is firm. The party is firm. Not just the state, secretariat, but also the central the central committee of the CPM and the Politburo is standing firm behind KT Jalil. They say that there is no point and there is no basis for the opposition's demand of demanding a resignation of the minister just because he's being questioned for 1.5 hours by an external agency. And they say that this questioning by the Enforcement Directorate is nothing but a plot by the BJP and the central government, like what they do in the other non-BJP states across the country.
Okay. All right. Vivek, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates.